you're going to need for this DIY is of course a pillow. This is a 40cm by 40cm pillow. I've got some fabrics here. I've got two different types of fabric because I want my pillows to be blue one side and then pink the other, so I've just got two different types of fabric for that. I've got a zip, scissors, a tape measure, or you could use a ruler or anything to basically measure the size of your pillow and the fabric, and then a sewing machine or some thread and a needle if you want to hand sew it. It will take a little bit longer, which is why I use a sewing machine. So now I've got to cut out the squares for the front and back of the pillowcase. All you need to do is measure your pillowcase, so mine's 40 by 40 centimetres, and then add a centimetre seam allowance around the entire square, so that'll make it 42 by 42 centimetres. So now I've got my two squares of fabric cut out. We're going to want to attach two sides to the zip. So I've got my zipper here. It's a little bit too long for what I need it for, as you can see there, but I will just cut this end off when I've sewn it in. Ideally you want to get one that's the right length, so this would be about 40 centimetres, but I'm just going to use this and it should work just fine. So you're going to want to sew the zipper right sides together on the first edge of the pillow. So with the zip and the fabric right sides together, I'm just going to sew down this edge, leaving a centimetre at this end and then a centimetre on this end, and then the rest of this zip will just be snipped off. This edge so it's got a bit of a neater finish, and then I'm going to sew the other side of the zip to the blue fabric. So now I need to sew this side of the zip to this part of the fabric along this top edge, again leaving a centimetre on both ends, right sides together. So this is what the zipper should look like, and now all we need to do is put it back right sides together so the zipper is exposed like that, and then simply just sew down the remaining. I will have to cut this end off here and then just sew down this edge. And now all I'm just going to do is trim the corners a little bit. Just trim the point off, just so when this pillowcase is turned inside out, you've got a nice crisp corner. There you go, a super easy zip up cushion.